Do you ever wake up in the morning and go to do your makeup and you think, okay, I'm gonna do something different today. And next thing you know, you did your makeup the exact same way you've been wearing it for years? What about when you get in the mirror and you start to look in the mirror and you think, okay, my skin is starting to show the signs of aging. It's not looking the same as it did last time I looked in the mirror. Or you start to really pick apart and you think, I think it's time. I need to start doing something different for my skin. Is that you? Hi, I'm Katie Sevenants with Kiss Me Katie 411. Now, I know before you get a little crazy and you go, Kiss Me Katie 411, what is that? I've heard a few of the comments that have come out when I introduce myself. I am not a dating service. I do not have a kissing booth at the local fair, and I've heard a few other things as well. I've been an independent distributor with SeneGence International for going on almost 16 years, and I love working with women who are ready for a change. When it's time for a new season, don't you feel like, all right, I gotta do something a little different? Well, with my experience, I'm gonna help you find just the right things that can bring out your natural look without taking a lot of time. Who has that? If you're ready for a change in your makeup routine, or you think your skin needs maybe just a few little tweaks to bring out the best, or to maybe slow down the clock a little bit, I want to work with you. I've been working with busy professional women just like yourself for years. And what I find is sometimes we get into this routine and we just keep going and using the same thing because it worked. But sometimes things change a little bit, and I want to help introduce you to some great makeup products that I love. They're anti-aging. It's natural, 98% natural ingredients, 2% science. You get the best blend of both. It's your natural sun protection without being a chemical SPF, which here in Colorado you definitely need. So I want to introduce you to these amazing products and what I put together for women from Southern Colorado Women's Chamber of Commerce is to come meet with me in my studio, in my home. Sit down, let's do a full makeover. You can sample the products, see what I'm talking about, why they're so amazing, see what all the buzz is about with these products. You can test out that lip color that doesn't come off. That way you know you're not leaving your mark everywhere you go on all those wine glasses and coffee cups, right? I would love to schedule some time for you to come to my studio. Let's sit down, let's play a little makeup, let's talk about what works for you, what your needs are, no matter what your age. These products are amazing. Give me a call. We'll set up a time to meet because skin is skin. Doesn't matter men or women. You want to start taking care of it. Especially around here with the sun protection, you need that natural protection on your skin. A percentage of everything we sell goes back to our nonprofit we run through our company called the Make Sense Foundation that supports women and children across the country in all kinds of areas. So I'm super excited to introduce myself, introduce the products to you. There's several ways you can connect with me. If you just like to sit back and watch some videos, you can do that. I have a YouTube channel. It's called Kiss Me Katie 411. You can search by my name as well, Katie Sevenants. I have my Facebook business page called Kiss Me Katie, Your Beauty Expert. And then I have a group for my VIP customers called Kiss Me Katie's VIP Party Place. I do lots of videos that show you how to work with different your features, different products at different times of the year, how to create different looks, and I share some of my favorite business tips that I've collected over the years. I hope you'll connect with me and give me a ring if you'd like to schedule some time to meet. I'd love to get to know you better too. Thanks. Have an awesome day.